All right, so at this time of being inside and being quarantined and things like that, we still need to get outside and get a little exercise. And one of the great things about Minnesota is that we have our state parks are still open. What am I doing? Okay, so the audio was absolutely terrible that day. Even though I had a windscreen on the microphone, it went nuts. So let's talk about what I was going to say. The state parks are open, and you actually just need a couple things, or one thing really, to get in, and that is a pass. I have here on the windshield, as you can see I'm probably pointing and talking about, a state park sticker from last year, 2019. It's already expired, so what I need to do is put in a new one. You also have the option of getting just a day pass, which is $7. Otherwise, the full year-long pass, if you're going to go more than once, just get it. It's $35. You put it on your window, you stick it there and leave it. You can see this year's is right here. I didn't actually get it at a park this time, though, because at the time all of the offices were closed, so I put a credit card number on a little tiny white piece of paper into a little tiny metal box, and they picked it up at some point and mailed me one. But in the meantime, I have a temporary pass, which you can see in just a couple seconds. So super easy. Let's show you how to put in your sticker so that you can get out and see all the parks this year. So I got camera A, B, C. Where should C go? The C's not that great. So maybe C should get the worst angle. So you're probably wondering, Ian, you look a little bit different. Well, yesterday, as I finished one shot and was trying to move inside to finish changing the sticker, then it was Skype phone call time, and then it was crazy windstorm time, and then it was crazy rainstorm time. So I just took a break. So we're gonna get in here and we're gonna change this sticker out, all right? Oh, I should start the camera. Okay, so what I wanna do is replace this Minnesota State Park sticker with this brand new one, okay? This one's gonna get me through March of 2021. So I'm gonna first clear the area. Step number one, I have my temporary dash pass. We're gonna just trash that. It's gone now. And then, you know, I've had this drying on my dash for a long time. I'm gonna let this flower go. That's gone. So the first step now is to peel off the old sticker. I'm gonna just try with my fingers just to see what happens. And look at that, the corner came off easy peasy. Ooh, it's got that good smell that I like. Except you can see that it has left a serious amount of stickiness. I'm no perfectionist. I mean, sometimes yes, but today I'm not. Who knows what it would take to get that off? Probably a lot of work. Some blood, some sweat, definitely a few tears. So what I'm going to do is simply, oh, it's in two pieces. Open this up. Ooh, look how pretty it is. I'm gonna open up the next sticker. There we go. Okay. Kylan Woods State Park. Haven't been there yet. Oh, 75 years. Oh, nice job. We're gonna just throw her back on here. Try and line it up with the old stuff, which I think is what I did last time. And now this is super sticky, all right? Because it's old stick plus new stick. So I'm gonna really try and line it up well. This is not easy. Come on. Aha, okay. And then I'm just gonna rub my fingers down the middle and then wipe out. So, You get it nice and sticked in the middle and then just wipe out. Now there's a little bit of a lip there on some old stick, but it's not gonna bother me. It shouldn't bother you. I wonder though, this old Uber sticker is baked on. Let's just see what happens. Cause people always ask me, you drive for Uber? You drive for Uber? No, not anymore. And whoa, there is something to be said about spending money on your window stickers. This is coming off like nobody's business. I mean, that in a good way. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, that was on really well. And now it's not. No stickiness. Minnesota, you could learn something from these guys. Okay, so that is my first how-to video ever. You're welcome. I promise I will have more for you later at some point in the future. One of them might be how not to drink coffee with a mustache, or how to put a Viking bead in your beard that has a split down the middle and looks awkward in everyday life. So watch for those and many more exciting things to come. Thanks for hanging out with the Spur Trail. I'll see you out there.